Hello, mabuhay! I'm Daniel and I'll be your tour guide for today. Welcome to the beautiful province of Agusan del Sur. As we travel through this landlocked treasure of Mindanao, you might wonder where the name comes from. This word Agusan is believed to originate from the local word Agasan, which means where the water flows. This is because of the mighty Agusan River, the third largest river in the Philippines, which serves as the lifeblood of the entire region. Historically, this area was once a vast marshland where the indigenous groups like the Manobo live harmony with nature. One of the most significant historical finds here is the Golden Tara, a 21-carat gold statue discovered in the early 1900s, proving that Agusan was once a center of trade and culture long before colonial times. Today, the province is known as the home of the Golden Tara and is famous for its massive marshland and lush forests. Our first stop is a true living monument, the giant Tug Tree in San Francisco, Agusan del Sur. This is officially the tallest and the oldest Tug Tree here in the Philippines. Standing at about 54 meters high and estimated to be over 300 years old, it is so sturdy that it has survived countless typhoons and even threats of being cut down. The locals here treat it as a symbol of resilience, tall, strong, and deeply rooted in the earth. Next, we are heading to the breathtaking Vega Falls in Prosperidad. This isn't just one waterfall. It is a multi-tiered beauty hidden deep within the jungle. According to the local legends, the falls were named after a beautiful woman named Vega who was seen by the hunters. The water is crystal clear and cold, surrounded by the exotic plants and the sound of the wild birds. It is the perfect spot to feel the flow that Agusan is so famous for. Finally, we will visit the Mount Magdiwata Eco Farm and Resort in San Francisco. Mount Magdiwata itself is a sacred mountain for the locals, often shrouded in mist and mystery. At this eco farm, you get a front row seat to the mountain's majesty, while enjoying a peaceful green environment. It serves as a vital watershed for the community, and visiting here reminds us how important it is to protect the forests that keep Agusan del Sur green and vibrant. Enjoy the